The middle row center jump seat in 2011-2020 Toyota Sienna minivans is designed for 7-passenger seating or easier access to the third row. It weighs approximately 20 to 25 pounds and uses a rail and latch system for secure mounting. Before removing or installing the seat, ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off. Check for any open recalls related to the second row seats, especially recall NHTSA campaign number 23VJ199, which addresses potentially loose seat bolts. Never install a damaged seat. Ignoring safety protocols can compromise crashworthiness and increase rollover risks. To remove the jump seat, first locate the 2 release levers near the floor rails. These levers are typically red or orange and positioned on each side of the seat base. Next, pull the levers upward or outward to unlock the seat from the rails. You should hear or feel the latches disengage. Finally, fold the seat back forward for access or lift the entire seat straight up off the rails. Avoid twisting to prevent damage. To install, first align the seat with the floor rails, ensuring correct front-rear orientation. Lower the seat onto the rails until you hear the latches click into place. Push down firmly to ensure secure locking. Pull up on the seat to confirm it's securely locked. If it moves, recheck the alignment and try again. Ensure seat belts are properly attached and test child safety locks if equipped. If the seat doesn't lock securely, consult a dealer. DIY removal and installation typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. Improper handling or neglecting recall fixes can lead to bent rails, latch failures, and costly repairs.